Learning Land. Once upon a time, in a small village called Sunnyville, there lived a little girl named Judy. Judy was a curious and bright young girl who loved to explore and learn new things. Every night, before going to sleep, Judy's mother would tell her a bedtime story. One evening, as Judy snuggled into bed, her mother began a tale about a magical land called Learning Land. In Learning Land, there were colorful trees that grew books instead of leaves, and the animals wore glasses to read. Judy was fascinated by this magical place and wished she could visit. As she closed her eyes, she found herself transported to Learning Land. Standing amongst the book trees, Judy met a wise owl named Oliver who offered to be her guide through this enchanting land. Oliver explained that in Learning Land, everything was an opportunity to learn and grow. They visited a school where the desks were made of crayons and the blackboard was as big as a mountain. Judy was thrilled to see children happily learning and discovering new things. Next, they went to the science lab, where Professor Albert the elephant showed them exciting experiments. They mixed colors, created volcanoes, and watched as bubbles filled the air. Judy's eyes sparkled with joy as she realized that learning was not only fun, but also magical. Oliver then took her to the music garden, where melodies danced in the air, played by animals with musical instruments. Judy giggled and danced along as she discovered the joy of music. As the night went on, Judy felt her mind expanding with knowledge and her heart brimming with happiness. Before returning home, Judy thanked Oliver for the incredible adventure and the valuable lessons she had learned. Back in her bed, Judy couldn't wait to tell her mother all about Learning Land and how learning was the most exciting thing in the world. From that night on, Judy became even more curious, eager to explore the world and soak up knowledge wherever she could find it. Do you like the story? Hope you can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more stories.